Good morning, my name is Henk de Vries, captain on today's flight KLM641 from Amsterdam to New York John F. Kennedy. Today it's with the Boeing 777-200. On behalf of KLM, very welcome to join us on our flight.
641 at Echo 17, requesting startup.
641, startup is approved, request push on 118.
Ground 641, request taxi.
641, roger, taxi number 2407.
Cabin crew, take your seats. KLM641 Heavy, approaching 24 Sierra 7 Echo ready.
641, runway 24, cleared for takeoff, 2106.
Yeah, it's on. Check. That's fine. Departure KLM641, 2,200 feet, climbing, folded barge.
Good afternoon, 641, climb to maintain 60 knots, speed is all yours.
Climb 560, roger, get it.
KLM641 Heavy, to stand maintain 9,000, the wind shear report runway 4 right, gain loss 1 knots, at 800, reported by all times.
Okay. Copy that, thank you, and descending 9,000 feet, KLM641 Heavy.
KLM641 Heavy, Kennedy 6 miles, and Airbus 320, wind 36017, gust 28, runway 4 right, clear away.
2,500, 1,000, 500, 400, 300, 200, 100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
Speed back up. Reverse normal.
Manual braking.
60 knots.
Wipe is low.
Wipe is low. And coming up on Foxtrot, actually.
Foxtrot Bravo, is it?
Foxtrot Bravo.
KLM641 Heavy, turn left, taxi, Foxtrot Alpha, left Yankee, hold short of taxiway hotel.